In this video today, I'm going to show you exactly how you can get started with trading cryptocurrency right now this particular year. You see, trading cryptocurrency is exactly most people have wanted to start doing, especially when we've actually seen, money move from the fiat we normally use, that's the paper money, down to digital money. There's been a lot of digitalization in the space, and you can't just omit the fact that crypto is the next big thing. But the question here is, how exactly can I start trading cryptocurrency? What exactly do I need to do, even as a complete beginner, that will actually help me to start seeing the possibilities within this very space? Yes, I've actually heard people make as much as $500, $1,000, and even much more with cryptocurrency, but how exactly can I start earning? You see, what I'm going to be doing here is to take it step by step, break down exactly how you can actually get started in the cryptocurrency space, and then walk you through to where you can actually leverage on certain opportunities within crypto that would fetch you cash. But in this video today, I'm going to show you exactly how you can start by leveraging P2P in the cryptocurrency space. Now, first things first, what exactly is P2P in crypto? Now, P2P basically means peer-to-peer. And this is where people like you and myself can actually get to buy and sell cryptocurrency within us, right? And take this as back in the days when we would exchange valuables for each other. So I have salt, you have a cow, you want salt and I want cow, and we just get to trade this within ourselves, and that's it. Now this is exactly what P2P is. We can actually see where people get to leverage, cryptocurrency. They sell cryptocurrency and you get to buy this cryptocurrency with the fiat currency you have, and that is it, right? And this can actually be handled outside the centralized exchange platform themselves. And we can actually see it as where somebody has Bitcoin or Ethereum, or we have USDT or whatever it is, and I have cash. Okay, I have 20,000 naira. I want to buy 20,000 naira, right? Or how much you have in fiat currency, and what I have right now for the crypto you have. Now you log on and you can just make the Swift exchange or Swift transfer between each other and all. Now in this particular case, there are no centralized exchanges, but then you most probably hear P2P, and when you hear P2P, you would actually find it connected with an exchange platform. Now, basically, this exchange platform are there as escrow, right? Just to make sure that there is security during the trade. Just make sure that you buying or you selling receive whatever you actually giving at each particular time, and you're getting the worth of whatever you are paying for. Now this exactly is what P2P is within the cryptocurrency. And here, in order to get started, we're going to be leveraging WEEX. Now WEEX is a cryptocurrency platform that has simplified cryptocurrency for any new beginner, and it's something that I most probably would recommend to anybody starting out with cryptocurrency today, right here in the space. And what I'm going to do simply right here is to leave you guys a beginner link that would help you to get a couple of bonuses while you're getting started with WEEX. Right, so when you come over to WEEX right here, as you can see on my screen, all you're going to simply do is to go ahead, sign up, do a couple of KYC, and get to verify your account. Now once your account is fully verified, you can actually proceed to access other features right here on the platform, right? So you can see the more, there is the fund protection, the careers, the crypto world, blah blah blah, and there's the promotions where you can actually see a couple of other options right here. You can trade spot, you can trade futures, but most importantly, you can see quick buy or P2P trading. Okay, so what I'm going to do basically is to select P2P trading, and right on here it brings me over to this particular page where you're going to be seeing people buying and selling cryptocurrency. That is just what it majorly is, right? And as you can see here, there is the buy, there is the sell button, and then there are currencies you can actually do for USDT, which is the stable USD, right? You can do for Ethereum, you can do for Bitcoin, you can also do for USDC, another stable USD, okay? And right on here, down below, you're going to be seeing a couple of options, the amounts you want to buy, the payment method, the filter, and a refresh button. But down here, you can see people who are willing to sell cryptocurrency to you, okay? Now, let us look at exactly how you can proceed to buy. Now, first things first is understanding that if you're looking at buying cryptocurrency via P2P, one of the things you want to majorly buy is the stable USD. Yes, and that is USDT. So don't go wanting to buy Bitcoin. Don't go wanting to buy Ethereum, right? You first start with buying the stable USDT you have. That way, you can actually get to secure yourself in case of any price fluctuations at that point in time of purchase, okay? Now, when you come over here, you want to enter the amount of you want to use to buy your USDT. So let's say you want to buy USDT worth of, let's say 20,000 naira, right? And you can actually see here, I've put it in here, and I can also select the method of payment. Now, the method here is via bank transfer. Okay, and once I select bank transfer, what this does is help me filter out everybody that is willing to sell 20,000 naira worth of USDT and can take bank transfer. Okay, now once you're here, we're going to scroll down and you can see everybody on here. Now you can see this person, 715 orders, 99.5% completion, like that. But what I'm going to simply be doing is to sieve and get people that have over 500 orders, right, and have at about 98% completion rate. As you can see on here with other persons, this person has 98% completion rate, over 2,000 orders, right? This person has 94% completion rate with 33 orders. I must probably not go with this particular person right on here, not because he's not genuine, but because I just want to secure myself, right? This is exactly how I try to avoid risk when it comes to trading P2P here, okay? So let's say I go with this particular person here with 715 orders and 99.5% completion rate. He has over 300 USDT available for me and is willing to take bank transfer. So I'm going to click on buy USDT here. And once I click on buy here, as you can see, it says here I will pay 20,000 naira, right? And 20,000 naira will be me receiving 13.4 USDT by bank transfer. That's the payment method I'm going to be using, and I'm going to agree to this. Okay, so I'm going to click on buy USDT. Okay, so as you can actually see here, there are a couple of P2P security tips, and I'm going to click on OK. But you can basically see that there's a module that is up right here, just showing you exactly. You can see the time, so you have to actually make payments for your USDT within this time that's been allocated to you. That's about 14 minutes countdown, right? You're paying 20,000 naira, the price, the amount here, and you can actually see this person's details, their name, their bank card, their bank name, and other information. Now, one of the things I most probably would love to do every single time is to chat up this particular person, right? So you can see he already says it's active, right? So since it says active, so I can say sure, making transfer now, right? So he has sent me a message saying active. I have responded, but then I love to also check up on whatever messages that they have here. So you can see the message here and all. So I'm just going to go ahead and make the transfer. Now, when you're actually making this particular transfer to this person via bank, we obviously know, especially if you're in Nigeria, do not add crypto in your description. Do not add anything crypto related in your description. Just avoid that this person doesn't get banned or he doesn't get, his account restricted because of that tagline you've added. Okay. Now, once the transfer has been completed, what I'm going to simply do next is to share the payment receipts down to this particular person. Okay. So I'm just going to come over here. I'll click on attach the image. Okay. So I can get the PDF. So I'm going to click on PDF because it's in a PDF format. I'm going to proceed to click on transfer complete. So it's asking for proof again, and I'm going to add the proof. Now my file is in PDF format. So what I'm going to do is to just screenshot it. I'm going to just screenshot this. Yeah. I'm going to take a screenshot of this transfer. So it's my transfer folder. It's my screenshot folder rather. And as you can see here, it's going to come in now in my screenshot folder. I will select it and I'm going to upload it. Now, please note that I'm using desktop for this particular, method, but then you can also use your mobile phone. That's the beautiful thing. So this would have been easier if it was via mobile, right? But just so that you can see the full screen, I'm using desktop for now. Okay. Yeah. So once I'm done, I'll click on transfer, confirm that I have paid, and you're going to see that there's going to be a quick refresh, and you can see here it says the transfer has been done, and we are awaiting the seller to confirm receipt and release crypto. Okay. But one of the beautiful things here is the fact that this particular person is very active. Now you see why I actually say you should actually choose people based on the number of trade and completion. Most times these people are very active because they have a lot of people that are actually, leveraging or buying from them. Okay. That's just the beautiful thing. So I'm going to hold on right now for this person to release the cryptocurrency to me. So it's less than a minute right now. And this particular person has released my cryptocurrency to me. As you can see here, by amount 20,000 naira, quantity 13.4 USDT, and this is the price. Okay, so I can actually click on view assets so that I can actually see the amount in USDT I have right now, which I just purchased. So you can see BTC. I'm just going to go ahead and change the currency, USDT. So you can see here I have 13.4785 USDT. Right, this is the amount I just made purchase for right now. Now this is P2P with WEEX. And like I would always say, this is the base of you now earning from cryptocurrency. whether you are going to be holding crypto, whether you are going to be trading via futures or spots, whether you are going to be doing crypto arbitrage and making money from it, this is the base, right? This is the base. And that is why I'm actually taking my time to expose this and show you exactly how to get to make it work right now so you can actually leverage on this particular method. Now, guys, it's your turn. Let me know what's your thoughts about this or what exactly you've learned. If you're going to practice this, let me know if you're going to try it out right now. Let me know in the comment section below. And at the same time, do well to subscribe to this channel. Just smash the subscribe button, as obviously you don't want to miss out on other, videos around cryptocurrency and how to actually make money from here and all. Okay. Thank you so much, guys. And obviously, yes, I'm going to be seeing you in the next video. Okay.